Hey, what's going on, money makers? We got another way to generate traffic by just giving away stuff for free. Um, you don't want to always just be selling stuff and spamming, and you want to give people actual value. So, one of the ways you can do that we're going to talk about in this video is using ebooks or free ebooks and stuff like that that pertains to the niche or what are you trying to sell. So on this site is ebook junkies. Um, so they have two sites. The free ebooks, which I recommend, you can just click here, click your topic. So I look for traffic here, traffic. Click here, and then it'll spout out a few list of ebooks that you can download for free. Now, what I suggest you do is look at the dates, especially if you're going to do anything with online marketing or something with online presence or anything like that. You want to look at the dates. So some of these are very outdated, and as you know, we're 5 years removed from 2014, and a lot has changed in the online atmosphere. So it's 12 MacGyver traffic hacks. It says ultimately secret driving highly targeted traffic to your website. You're sick and tired of trying methods that good news. Okay, so you can give this away to a person that you're maybe a social media um advertiser for them, or you're running an ad page, and or you're trying to sell your product, or as getting traffic and stuff like that. So what happens is you can either add it to your library, or which it sells under you have to set up an account, and then you just add it to your library, and then when you're getting ready to give it away, you can just download it. um so I'm just gonna actually try to download it here. Okay, so this is a resale book, but there are free books that you can look at, but this is a resale book for $39 for the year is absolutely incredible. So you can unlimited downloads, new books added, no commitment to automatic payment. So yeah, you can actually, I'm not logged in, so it's not gonna actually show me. But some of these titles, like if you're selling ClickBank stuff, or you're selling weight loss, let's try weight loss here. Let's see if we can get to weight loss. Let's see, let's try weight loss. And if you have like some type of diet program, or you got a ClickBank affiliate that doesn't give you a ebook or any marketing as far as ebook, you just basically give them away for free. This looks like an email weight loss boot camp results. Losing weight with a baby diet, green tea. Wow, so you kind of can create how to boost your metabolism. You actually can create a niche based on these books. Find something on ClickBank, or either you teach. Find a couple videos on YouTube here that's you know copywritten free. You can make that sell it as a course. Put the videos together. Make it like a compilation video. Make maybe a couple exercise videos and pair it with a ClickBank affiliates that you got. Now you got a steady stream of income. Sorry, steady stream of income here. I gotta get my pocket. Uh, so let's look at this. So just for 39 bucks, look, brain plays rolling. So you gotta pay attention. So you just going to kind of read. Look, principles of bodybuilding. I was telling you about, summer dieting. This is another good one. Aerobics for beginners. So yeah, you wanna. I'm actually logged in here. So you actually want to look at if you compare these up with videos, give this away for free. Maybe give a video away for free. give this book away for free, and then type in copyright free bodybuilding tips, and you make a course around it, and you of course you got to add your voice on some of this stuff, and you can build a course around it, use your ClickBank affiliates, and then you can actually have a course on bodybuilding, and you didn't even shoot one video, which is incredible. Just by using ebooks, and you can build your own niche around that. So yeah, this is one this is one site, eBay, ebook junkie. I'm sorry, eBay, ebook junkie. Another one I don't really like. This is royalty free, of course, but um, these are absolutely free books. So if you don't want to pay the $39.99, the only thing with this is it really just generic type right here. So this is really generic and stuff. So I wouldn't recommend this unless you can't afford the $39.99. But if you can't, this is another site. It's ebooklobby.com. It's I just putting it in the video just in case somebody doesn't have 40 bucks and they want to get it started. But yeah, I highly recommend the ebook junkie, and if you pair it with something like a royalty affiliate, royalty marketing, that you can set up a sales page. You can put the sale page and say free ebook if you click this button here, um, and then you can build actually a course with Teachable. Actually, I have videos um, on the channel talking about Teachable and talking about definitely about royalty and how you can use that stuff to market your business. Now you have a business, and you don't even have to really find anything. You can just find royalty free bodybuilding videos, put a compilation together, put it on YouTube, or market it on YouTube, put affiliate links in there, and then you'll get paid off that top too. So yeah, using ebooks, and wow, you can even build your own niche around that you don't even have to touch. Um, so yeah, at a, I'll leave a link in the bio. That way you guys can, just in case you guys don't remember ebook junkie, you can save it to your computer. If you want to find Creative Commons videos, you can always find Creative Commons videos on Google. You can Google free royalty like cooking videos or something like that if you want to build a niche around cooking video, and give them a free ebook with that, and then charge maybe 60, 70, 80 bucks for the course, using Teachable or something like that. Or you don't even have to use Teachable. Use and there's different um, e-learning sites that you can put in there. You can actually put in use Udemy if you like. You can come up with the content, just come up with the writing and stuff. Use the ebook, load the videos up to Udemy, and there you go. You got yourself a course on Udemy. You got yourself a course everywhere, and then you can market it with royalty or click funnels or whatever platform, Facebook ads, Google ads, anything like that. So yeah, using the ebook just to attract your customers. You want to give them value before you start asking them for money. All right, that's the end of this video. We'll see you next time. Money Makers TV.